Looking to update your Twitter profile to journalist on your PC? Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will open a menu where you can access various profile settings. Next, find and click on the button in the top right corner labeled Edit Profile. This will take you to the profile editing page where you can make adjustments. Scroll down the page until you see the option to edit Professional Profile. Click on this to access the Professional Profile editing section. Within the editing options, locate and click on Category. This will enable you to specify the category that aligns with journalist. Search for journalist in the search bar and select it from the available categories listed. Once you have chosen journalist, click on the Save button to apply the changes to your profile. Your Twitter profile is now updated to reflect your profession as a journalist. Congratulations on successfully switching your profile category to journalist. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials to enhance your online presence. Thank you for watching.